We start in Woolwich, outside a large cinema at the north end of Powys Street. And head east along High Street towards the power station, now long gone. A policeman directs traffic. On the left is the ferry approach road. Along Beresford Street to Beresford Square. To pass the main gate to the Arsenal. The conductor issues tickets from a Gibson machine as we continue along Plumstead Road. A second service, the 696 to Dartford, uses this part of our route. The 696 turns right into Wickham Lane to go via Welling. While our 698 continues straight on. Soon we turn into Basildon Road and head for Abbey Wood. A fast run along Abbey Road brings us to Belvedere. All London trolleybuses had this symbol on the lower back window, presumably to inform following traffic. At Erith, close to the Thames, was this turning circle for short workings. This seems to be the junction of Barnhurst Road. Passing Bexleyheath bus garage. In central Bexleyheath we rejoin the 696 route at a loop round the Broadway. This shows how one trolleybus could overtake another if its trolleys were lowered from the wires using a bamboo pole, normally stowed in a metal tube below the bus. Where routes diverged, switches in the wires, known as frogs, could be controlled by the conductor, the setting being confirmed by an indicator light high on a nearby pole. So our bus departs back to Woolwich.